What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going over the build list for my truck. Trying to give everybody an idea of where I'm headed with this thing, you know, what's happening with the Jetta, stuff like that. But over the past year or so, I've been looking for a project and a build to do. I grew up doing this. I grew up building trucks, F-250, Ram 2500, Jeep Wrangler. I grew up building trucks and, you know, it was the longest time with Jetta that, you know, I wanted to build something again. Searching for the longest time, we came across this truck right here. We have a 2017 Ram 2500 Bighorn Crew Cab 4x4. So everyone interested, here is all the options that came with this truck. So all you nerds out there who want to know all the specs of the, you know, this truck like I would, there you go. That's everything this truck is outfitted with from factory build. But that's not going to last long. As you can see, we've already tinted the windows. That was just step one. Step two, we already deleted the intake muffler. And now we're going to get into the build of this truck. Okay, so first thing, I picked this Ram 2500. 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel, 6-speed manual in the Hills Green exterior paint. As you can see, we have a lot of work to do. This truck itself is crazy already. And you know, just owning it for, going on owning this for almost a month now, I'm learning a lot about this truck, learning about, you know, it's different than anything I've ever driven. A manual diesel 3/4 ton truck is different than anything I've ever driven. I've driven 3/4 ton diesels, but manual, completely different. So luckily, this Ram already came with the tow mirrors, so we're set there. As you can see, we already tinted the windows. That was step one. That was part of the build. We've done that. But we've got a lot of work to do. Chrome, gotta go. We're gonna do a full chrome delete on this truck. Anything chrome you see will be gone. Like I said, a lot of work. Bumpers, boards, wheels, all the chrome is going to be gone. And I mean, that's a lot of chrome to delete. So when I'm done with it, there will be no chrome on this truck. Suspension wise, we're gonna jack it up. A lot of people, you know, they'll level these trucks, but I'm more of a lifted kind of guy, and something this green and this unique needs to be lifted. I'm gonna leave you guys hanging with that one, but premium lift, premium shocks, that's for sure. Wheels and tires, gonna leave you guys hanging with that one as well. Premium wheels, premium mud tires. Size, again, I'm gonna leave you hanging, keep the suspense building. As for exhaust, the factory emissions equipment on this with the DPF, the DEF, and the regen cycles is very hard on these engines. I know they're designed and made to do these cycles, but they're not good. The DPF, the DEF, and the regen cycles are the #1 cause of problems in these newer trucks. Even though they're supposed to be solving emissions problems, they are causing more on engine and cylinder pressures and all that. You saw it in the 6.4 Power Stroke. Those things were blowing up left and right. Obviously, the technology has advanced since then, but still not good. It limits your MPG and all of that. Limits MPG, limits power. All of that, this truck will be deleted. Lighting on this truck. Yes, we'll be swapping out the headlights. We'll be swapping out the tail lights. Stock sucks, man. We're changing this thing up. This truck looks mean. It's green, but we're gonna change everything to make it mine and make it a crazy build. Changing the heads and changing the tail lights is necessary. Also, other various lighting going around this truck will also happen. I don't even want to spoil it. It's like, if I just told you, you'd be like, oh, okay. But yeah, I don't want to spoil it. There will be other lighting going on this truck. So you're gonna have to stay tuned for that. That's right. Fuel mods. Yes, we're going all out on this build. This truck, when it's done, will be completely different than it is now. This thing is almost completely stock. Like I said, we've done two things so far: window tint and the intake muffler delete. Everything I do to this truck will improve performance, longevity, and life of this truck. Fuel mods, yes. If we get crazy with the tuning down the road, studs, valve springs, push rods, I mean, that's if I'm trying to push horsepower, but I don't think I'm trying to make this a race truck, clearly, if I'm gonna lift it. If I wanna make it, down the road, I might buy another one and do, you know, race truck version, level it, wide wheels and wide tires, and do all the horsepower stuff. But this truck's gonna be lifted, pretty much show truck. So air intake, horn, throttle valve, delete. I don't know about that one yet. And like I said, studs. If I really want to get there, I'm pushing some horsepower, but not crazy horsepower. Injectors, maybe. Nice, good fuel system, and the air to back it up. So spending that much money on a build, if you guys have any recommendations of manufacturers you recommend, like I have ideas all across the board. It's pretty much written out in my head right now. But if you guys have ideas for certain manufacturers or stuff you guys are aware of that I'm not of, post in the comments below. I'll be sure to take a look at them and you know, put into consideration for this build right here. Sorry guys, it's getting dark here, but no, this isn't going to be a SEMA truck lifted 12 inches, 40s, and all that crazy stuff. This truck right here is going to be crazy. It's going to be awesome, and it's going to be built the way trucks should be built. Through this journey here, I'm going to show you guys why and how things need to be done. I've done this, you know, this is my fourth, fifth build. I've done it all. I'm gonna show you tips, tricks, and what to do and what not to do when you're building your car, your truck, your Jeep, your motorcycle, whatever. That list isn't even it all. We might get to some interior stuff and a lot more stuff down the road, but there's the basis, and that basis right there is already gonna transform this to a crazy beast. Like I said, you guys saw the sticker. This is an amazing platform to start with, and I'm so lucky to be able to start with a platform like this. I work hard for it. I'm so happy, so glad, so thankful I'm able to start with a platform like this. If you guys want to start with a platform this crazy too, like I said, anything's possible. Set your mind to it, and you can do it as well. I want to say thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the build. Like I said, that list I gave you guys is not even the start. You will see a bunch of things, you know, get filled in and be added to this truck as well. And even the list I told you, there were so many different parts and videos and, you know, tutorials and things involved in doing some of those mods. You guys will be amazed. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. Join this build. Literally, I got stuff in my cart on a couple websites right now that I've shipped, and I also have stuff here for this. I have the stuff here for this truck already. So get down there, click subscribe, click the little bell icon. You are 100% aware when I post videos. Shoot this video a thumbs up if you're excited for this build. Like I said in the comments below, post any companies that you guys want me to check out for anything to go on this truck. Thank you guys for watching. As I said, it's getting dark here. It rained the next few days, so you might be seeing some car content because I gotta keep it clean, and not because it's a mall crawler. You'll see why coming up here in the next week or so of why I need to keep this as clean as possible. Like I said, thank you guys for watching. Click subscribe if you want to join this build. Shoot a thumbs up if you're excited. Comment below any companies you want me to take a look at. It's getting dark here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for the support. We're almost at 15,000 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough. Take care. Have a good one. Peace.